Hey there, welcome to my Happy Together Minnie Mini Album. This is a Disney themed mini book. And for this little project, I'm using the Magical Adventure collection kit from Echo Park Paper. This is an older collection, but you should be able to find this one or something very similar. I'm also using various circle dies and scallop dies for my stash. And to get started, I die cut 2 3-inch circles for the ears. And I used a lightweight black chipboard, but if you don't have chipboard, you could use 2 pieces of black cardstock layered together. And then a 5-inch embroidery hoop that I painted black. And flip it over to the back. That is the final piece. I die cut 2 of that 5-inch scallop. And then added some pom-pom trim around the edge with a hot glue gun. And then we're going to pull these pages apart so you can see the accordion style that I used for the pages. So I just used white cardstock for the bases and then used a 3.5-inch circle die to die cut the mats. For the pages I used a 4-inch circle die. To get started, I took an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper and cut it in half, and then folded it in half. And then right there along the crease, you want to place your circle die with a little bit of overlap. This is so it doesn't cut all the way through the paper. After cutting, you will want your paper to look like this with a hinge on it. Okay, so just keep that in mind when you die cut. And as you can see, I have this die cut. Next, you will want to layer 2 of the pieces together. This is to get you started. You just repeat this process with however many pages you want to add to the book. So when you'll want to alternate the edges, so you adhere these 2 pieces together. So that flaps that way and the other one goes the opposite way. Trim away the extra overhang of paper. So when you open and fold it, it all folds very nice and neat there. And you'll see how that just opens up. And when we turn it around, you also have pages on the back side. Also keep in mind how you embellish this. You don't want it too embellishment heavy on one side or the other. So I just added embellishments and kind of would fold it back together and see if I needed to add them in the opposite direction. And here's a little walkthrough of the book. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for joining.